Margaret. What you was that?
Very well, very well.
Example. Okay, but my name is Jen and I are the Salfibia Swan. Yababi, when the train, Yabaga Sun in Submission. I fear to say, Yabaha, a few years old. Managing director. Like I said, the brass says here, but the baby channel. Now, said there, I feel trim, no Yamaya, which I acquire you to a course. The achieve idea in be that man and Abacasim. A few years, we and some runner Yamra and Bitia, Yanama, now, yes, serving submission. Yes, that's my submission. Say, by and not to say. Yeah, managing director there. When your introduction, because on the fear any. Me, meaning the chief of staff, from me, Abraham Ferguson. So, me na napa or farm seven nana. Or more Maca, will be a being with the actually.
Margaret.
But I remember Margaret will be the head of personal banking or a little business. Actually, that's when your family said there before you drew for. Actually, I'm a chief marketing, communications and customer experience officer, GCB Bank PLC.
Pretty racket one.
Within the Al Hassan Sudan, executive head, commercial and business bank.
After we did the Socrates and from Chief Finance Officer.
No need to share anything.
But within the Linus Committee, now we share corporate banking. So.
Actually, we did this in that Kalagati. We don't share retail. So, that's it. But we did the Kweku after Annabelle. We don't share strategy, any research for the bank. Thank you.
But we did the 14 and Chamfoko one. Some more commercial banking, then I'm sure Kumasi suit.
That's all. The Prime Benjamin Chair, the Chief Compliance Officer.
But I'm meeting the Edward Adolfo, and I'm share credits.
But we did the Baba Ofuri or Dami, and I'm share Africa. Any China, Ejadi.
Your friend Nana Kodnaiwa, the head of people and culture.
But your friend Dominic Cobra, I'm head of operations.
But your friend is Theophilus Ayi, I'm a chief risk officer. But Patrick Banfo Boating. Regional manager, Kumasi.
Actually, your friend is Sadat Lamini. I'm a head of corporate affairs.
Your Royal Majesty, esteemed Nanano and chiefs of the Greater Asantehene Kingdom, it gives me so much pleasure to just come back home to be with the King. For those of you who don't know, he's not just been a supporter of GCB, but he has been a sponsor of my personal career over the years. You recall that we were here a couple of months ago when I assumed office to seek his blessings to go and start my work as the new managing director of GCB. After he had campaigned for me to be a managing director of another bank that did not work, he assured me that a bigger one would come. I brought a team to him to bless us and to introduce the team to him. There have been subsequent additions to that team, and so I felt that coming to him this year to tell him what we have done, it is important that I bring this team again for him to know the new additions and to continue to bless us. His blessings resulted in our bank recording profits that we have never dreamt of. And the sages have it that anytime someone blesses you and good comes out of it, the right thing to do is to come back to let him know you appreciate what he has done. So our presence here today is to let my grandfather know that we don't take those blessings for granted. We don't assume that the historic profit we have made was out of our hard work. It was due to that hand he put on my head and said, "My son." But more importantly, is also to let him know that there's still a lot ahead of us. He told me that I should not disgrace him. I should go and make him proud. I can't make him proud if his continuous blessing is not on me. So my presence here today is to continue to ask for that blessing from my grandfather. That because your grandson has led the bank into historic profits, there will certainly be a lot that people are expecting of him. And I need that blessing to execute that. We are all aware that Nana is a beacon of hope, peace and stability in our country. And so we are here again to thank him for what he embodies. The peace, stability we enjoy in this country is down to people like him. His reign goes beyond the Ashanti kingdom. And to assure him that the bank, as a very good partner, is with him as he builds the foundation for the economic transformation of our country. Whatever it takes GCB to do to partner Asante, the Great Ashanti Kingdom, to achieve the development of the area, we are fully committed to it. Which is why I have brought everyone here to hear their managing director make those pronouncements and validations about how important the Great Ashanti Kingdom is to our relationship. So basically, that's actually the reason why we are here, Grandpa, to thank you so much for everything you have done for the bank and for myself as an individual, and to continue to ask for your blessings. And more important, to reassure you that the bank is in there to partner with the kingdom for economic prosperity. Thank you very much.
Zo. Smita. Ina na ide mi dana sene ni nua no ko ton fo mu bo no ni aso da aso baba afa. Zo.
Você dona Ura, ele só não botou assim. Mas o papa, não pode foi do na os outros não mas o papa.
Ne oposo mi hu ni pe bo na ma pentu mi ye adwuma na sei.
Zo. Sine ba ele fe. So hu ni pa so yo bo so wo chi a. We dey by the song sa America crane abobo to this everybody ele fe ye papa.
Amenda man sakan wo de o man wo betu o nearby.
Yo, me tell the mind war, men tintina. The one betu wo no do ni na say David, me na wa. No yin na ko no go some share some of the day na say. We don't bother anymore.
And the way you do no say enu asesa so de wo nyina abekọ. Me na na enu ammo.
Yo, the way you do so, was we do ni abekọ. Mom say me na da hu. You ma pa ni short man and dey go do no. Mo hu fa so.
Me ni da.
So say no na you ni da.
Na djuma na ho brase.
So to we o ho brase obuo, djuma Jesus bia so eni ko ho.
Na pa na me ni da ba ko so.
Yo,
na pesa me de ma ho na campus okro.
Na de ba ko so a. No pesa ko ho na yi ko ko.
Yes, sir, I kura mi busa mu kakra.
Say I kura busa mu kakra say urminana.
No try na nyabotre obi enim kina.
So catch say nyabotre. Say dwumadia e de mo no nyabotre be ye unu kina.
19 January 1st I consider president by
Yo
no ni bank o na buy.
Say see afim de to so dunku no. Na consider di kan. Ma panyi ba ye no ni bank ho. No panyi nya na ba be chia no ha.
Mbe wo
Se buy yo. So ba na fi.
So ehun komodie no.
Yo.
No nka ho meni man panyi ehun komodie.
Yo.
Na kola wo de ti hanai.
Se buy yo komodie no nka ho. Se be ehun komodie no wonim nana no. De woni mu ene no de ti LC.
To buy na se hwe no wangumen ma se hwe ma adwuma
ni
na sheman munyam.
Yo so ba ka chere no. Se be nu da meni de wo mu hwe no wangumen ma se be so nsa no. Hwe no koyo mo mu jidie. Ese be sheman munyam.
Ti Can create Ghana Commercial Bank, let them for so abandon.
Yo,
Apoleko and its Gaziabe. Kubio, Auntie Ama, Mibusama.
The
Ghana Commercial Bank says the bank and a social bank be a Ghana.
We won't go to working kind, not Ghana Commercial Bank. Ghana Commercial Bank. I didn't Eki Capro, semi for Swa Madiano, Susi Bank Bia or Semi Ghana Mona. I said, oh, I said, I could know a busy bank in Mukwada. I didn't know you were not in the ditch.
Oh, one would make it on your by on Swabakra.
Yo,
remember, come home.
Yo,
I'm saying, look on Swan, Munko money ye.
So, one, by Margaret's buyer at Nura. None of the mechanical was a court of a kind of money.
Tidia, Yo, kind the 8 year whom you are, says.
Yo.
Moka hona mo piano.
Let's be any kind the Munano. You are singing in a Muna Mumwa. I come on and I will decide Zabri.
And the Mihun is an Ahobra sentence sign.
So, no, no, home over home Brazil, South Brazil as a sign.
My 2 million cool.
Also, or 5 hand time for 2 minutes in the moon.
I'm so on Fanasa, Asana catcher.
Young was said was at the 2 Vanessa. When the old city here, when San, the one so.
Jumano, and Cosomoya, Boagana, my man.
See, you may be mine, Moya, woman, Ghana, mine, and Cosono, I must say, a
year, everything is CPM Magana, Pajano.
See, yeah, big Mississippi, Magana, mine, a Pajano Muscasimo.
And you may, Wagana, this a bit more purpose, baby. I'm one between us almost.
So, you may, our Ghana be to quiet Bobuso baby. Here the recipe said the more you Korea. We never done when you have a walk of Busia and they are one of them.
The dear Munamo more. I didn't know they but
young,
once more, and I'm in airport. But the Pejas say more when Namonia and Munyam comes.
Young, it's a bit to know what kind of someone come home. I didn't know, she said no, they but I would see no more one. They couldn't. Bag the G the Peja didn't see that. Munano, Munambiaka.
Joseph by one Messapman.
So, Unyapa Bob Mauda. Locoswap, Bompire, and the Messabe, one channel of a it's not so soon in the net of a breed.
Moka answer them by Robert Tamochi.
Moka, you also the Robert Tamochi.
I'm on Fakumapa.
Young, same man as I said, young, some Fakumapa. And the door and Fantanechi.
Moya Nipa Bakupa never done.
Moya Nipa over the Vedano.
The Akano.